Hello and welcome to another video. Today we're gonna do something I'm really looking forward for a pretty long time. The company contacted me a few months ago actually. They designed a new intake system, and for me it's one of the intake systems I really looked forward to get my hands on, and we're gonna test it on the Dyno as well. And we're gonna test this one against stock and the one from C-Tech. Maybe I can get my hands on an Venturi as well, but yeah, I didn't found anybody who is willing to give me one for free for testing. So yeah, and I'm not gonna buy an Venturi just to have it dynoed and then have to sell it again. So yeah, maybe if somebody has one and is willing to give it to me for the dyno, I'm very happy with that, and I will of course send it back to you. Without that, I'm not gonna test the Venturi. So let's talk about this one. It's the Armaspeed Intake, and what they did is, I think they keep the good things of the OEM intake and reduce some of the maybe not so good things. Maybe I'm gonna regret what I'm telling right now because the dyno shows otherwise, but who knows. It just replaces the top part of the intake or the air filter box and replaces the standard air filter with a cone and a pretty big intake pipe as well. It fits in. If you have it unpacked, you need about 20 minutes to install these, because you just leave the lower part with the flap and everything is you keep that stock and just replace the top part. It's made from carbon fiber, as you can see. Quality looks pretty good. I don't know how good it fits because I haven't installed it yet, and that's what I'm gonna do now. And then I will head out for a quick test drive to see if everything works and there are no fault codes or anything, because on the dyno in I think 2 weeks from now, yeah, we'll see. We're gonna change these on the dyno, or we're gonna test this on the dyno against the stock and the C-Tech intake you've seen earlier. And so that's what I'm gonna do today. I'm gonna install these and yeah, let's go. And this is how it looks installed. Took me about 10 minutes, so it's quite easy to install. Everything fits very nicely. Also these. And you can see the cone filter inside. So sound is pretty much standard. It sounds like the original part, so it fits very well. Everything fitted perfectly, but the sound is more or less like OEM, so not that much different. It just sounds a little bit better, I think. It's like not a full blow off or like the C-Tech, which is insane, but it just, you can hear the intake a little bit, not that much, but just a bit. I'm gonna show it to you on the dyno, because when it's stationary and it has no load, you can't hear anything, honestly. So, but I think that's a good thing, because maybe then we can get it street legal here I think that's, if it generates actually any power, I think that would be one of the things we're gonna try to make it street legal in Switzerland, because when it's not too loud, maybe it will pass the tests. So, but it fits and took, when you do it the first time, I did it now for the, I think, second or third time, but for the first time, maybe 15 to 20 minutes. So it's very easy to replace it, and it's very fast replaced because everything fits perfectly. You're gonna see the intake sound and everything on the dyno in a couple of weeks. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Goodbye.